are excited and proud to introduce you to Navori's latest digital signage media player, the STiX 3700. Built on the Android 9.1 operating system, the STiX 3700 is a 4K capable device that can be connected via HDMI to any type of display or video wall. Let's take a closer look at the device. Inside the box, you will find the STiX device itself, a USB-C power cable, a Wi-Fi antenna, an HDMI cable, and an additional USB adapter. On one side of the device, you will find a place to plug in the Wi-Fi antenna, a USB-A slot, and an Ethernet jack. On the other side, you will find an HDMI plug, allowing you to connect the device directly to any display. On the side of the STiX 3700, you'll find 3 slots. First, an SD card slot to allowing you to expand the internal memory of the device. Second, a micro USB. Third, USB-C to connect the power cable. Let's go ahead and put the device together. First, we take the Wi-Fi antenna and screw it into the available port on the side of the device. Second, we connect the USB-C power cable. And finally, let's connect the additional HDMI plug to connect the device to any display that you like. And just like that, after 3 easy steps, you are ready to go with your new STiX 3700. It's also worth noting that the STiX 3700 is covered by a 3-year warranty. Should anything go wrong with the device, simply send it back to us and we will replace it free of charge. For more information on the STiX 3700 and all other Navori Labs products, visit us online at www.navori.com.